We're on the original pig island. This is Big Major Cay. There's pigs swimming in the water up to the boat trying to get some food. We're about to head out to the actual island itself and walk around with the pigs and I guess get to know them a little bit. We're gonna take you with us, so let's go check it out.
Are you wondering how the pigs got on the island? After all, no humans live here and pigs don't naturally come from this sort of habitat. Well, I'm afraid no one knows for sure. However, there are a few theories. One of them is that pirates or sailors dropped them off on the island to maintain a sustainable food source in the area. However, the most popular theory is that the pigs swam to shore after a shipwreck, making Big Major Cay their home.
So this big one's name is Dumpling. He's about, I don't know, 10 times the size of all the rest of them.
There are over 20 pigs that live on the island today. They are fed by neighboring island residents and tourists. And that takes us back to where we're going to go feed them ourselves. There's a big sign that says no feeding pigs from the beach, so we did it from the water. Simple word of caution, don't stand behind the pigs in the water, for obvious reasons. While there were plenty of pigs out swimming with us, a whole bunch of them were sitting up in their little shelter. So we decided to go check them out.
You guys are sleepy, it's hot out here. Sleeping in the shade. I pet you?
Warning, some of them bite.
I pet you? Oh, good piggy. Yeah.
Okay, well, some of them were a little more friendly than the others. In fact, the ones down on the beach were generally more friendly than the rest.
This is one happy pig with a carrot in his mouth. Hey, piggy.
Two blocking our entrance. We'll never make it back.
I think we can do it. We just gotta outrun them. Dun, 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 dun. What'd you think, Hayden?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Definitely a pretty wild experience, just having a bunch of pigs on an island casually. Like,
yeah.
That was pretty.
They're just hungry and they want to eat, and we're their food. It's kind of that simple. Survey says the pigs are really cute.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to hold any of them or like carry them around like I've seen other people doing on YouTube, because these things are huge. I didn't see any baby pigs or anything like that.
I saw baby pigs.
Two baby pigs.
You saw baby pigs?
Two baby pigs.
All right.
Baby pigs over here.
But there is like a sign that says don't.
So we
pick up the
officially
pigs.
saw the swimming pigs. How cool is that?
Woo!
All right.
Sweet.
It looks like it's starting to rain, so I'm going to turn off the camera.
Thanks for joining us on this trip. Please like and subscribe for more videos just like this, and we'll catch you on the next one.